This video will show you how to request a book through PASCAL Delivers. Click on OneSearch, sign in, select Students and Staff, use your SWU email address and password to sign in. When searching in OneSearch, enter your search terms and select the PASCAL Delivers scope from the drop-down menu next to the search bar. Click on either the book title or the Check for Availability link to open a detailed screen. Click on the arrow next to the bar that says Request via PASCAL Delivers. Click the green arrow at the bottom that says Send Request. You will be notified by email when your book is ready to be picked up.